Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm Emma from Learning Plus. We're an adult skills charity based in Ambleside, and this is the third video in our series on Zoom and just covering the very basics. This one we're going to look at how to do the basic controls, so how to control the microphone, the video camera, how to change your name, how to change your view, and how to join chat and how to leave. So a few things to get through, so let's get to it. Here we are in our Zoom meeting with Tom and Sarah. So I'm going to show you the basic controls, camera on and off, microphone on and off, and adjusting what you can see. I'll do that from the PC first, and then we'll show you how that works on a phone or a tablet or an iPad. So most importantly, microphone. It's important that you're heard when you want to be, but also that you're not when you shouldn't be. So to change the microphone to be on or off, we're going to just hover the mouse. As soon as we move the mouse over the Zoom screen, we can see the controls at the bottom there. And in the bottom left corner, there is a microphone that will say either unmute or mute. Now, these controls do disappear if you stop moving the mouse. As soon as you move it again, they reappear. So to turn our microphone on in this case, we're going to tap the microphone and it just turns it on. And if we tap it again, it turns it off. So the same works with the camera. If you want the video to be seen or not seen, next to the microphone is the stop video. So if you don't want to be seen, you just click that and it turns your camera off, and you click it again to turn it on again. So the words change from stop video to start video. So now we're going to look at that on a mobile phone. And when you hover on the screen, you can see the controls at the bottom. So mute and unmute is here. You tap it to mute and unmute. Same applies with the video camera. And you can tell what your video camera is doing over here in the bottom corner of the screen. So now we're going to look at how you change your view. So this moment we're in gallery view, so we can see everybody who's in the meeting. And on a computer you can have up to 25 people visible in this setting. But if you want to just see the person who's talking, then if you go to the top right corner here where it says view, then click there. You can change to speaker view, and the person who's got the yellow box around them will be shown at the front on the speaker view. And go back, we just go to the same place to go to gallery view. And the final thing we might want to see is chat. So if I go to the bottom again, and here you will see chat. If I tap that, then it opens up the chat screen on the right, and I'll just move this over slightly so you can see that better. And here it will automatically put it as everyone, and you can change that to be a specific person in the meeting. But generally you just want to chat to be somewhere where you can say hello to everyone without using your microphone, or to answer a question, or so on. Put messages in there. If I want to remove that visibility, then I just go down to the bottom of the screen and click the chat button again, and then that disappears. So we'll see that on the mobile phone now. So to change our view on the phone, you're going to swipe. So if you swipe right, then you get safe driving mode. If you swipe back left, you get back to your main view. If you swipe left again, you get multiple people. And if you keep swiping left, you'll get all the rest of the people in the meeting if there's more than 4. And then to access chat, you're going to go in the menu down here, and that will get more, and then that will bring you these options. So you click chat, then you can tap here to bring up your keyboard, type your message, then press send, and it will get you back to the home screen, to the chat screen. You can see messages from other people, and then you click back so that you are then back to your normal screen. So while you're in the chat and you can't see what's going on, your video camera is switched off, so nobody sees you trying to type or any of that. Okay. So the final thing I'm going to show you on the PC is to change your name and to leave the meeting. So to change your name, you need to move your mouse slightly, then you're going to see participants at the bottom. If you click on that, you will see yourself among those participants. And when you hover over, you get the option of more. Click on more and you can rename. You can change your profile picture if you like. So I'm going to rename. So say I'd just like to be Emma on this occasion. And I can change that and click OK. So now we're going to look at how you change your name. So you go to participants, click on your name, tap in here, and then you can change the name or add something. So if I just put in Smith here, then press enter, that will be there, and you press OK here, and then your name has changed. And then finally, I'm just going to show you how to leave the meeting. And again, we just move our mouse slightly and we can see end or leave at the bottom. And when you click, it's in that exact same space, but because I'm hosting this meeting, it says end for me, but if you're just part of a meeting, then it will say leave. If I click on there, then I can choose to leave the meeting. So to leave a meeting on the smartphone, you're going to tap the screen, find leave in the top right corner, and then click leave meeting, and you're done. So that's the end of this video. We've just covered the basic controls here. At Learning Plus, we have some online Zoom training sessions. They do take place on Zoom, but using these videos, you can know how to access those meetings, and then we can go through there's lots and lots more that you can do with Zoom, and that is available to you. So whether you want to use it to do a fun quiz with your family, or whether it's important that you attend meetings for charity you're a trustee of, or if it's work or whatever it is, if you would like to know more about all the different features of Zoom and how to schedule meetings, how to change settings as a host, and how to be in control of all those different aspects, then go on our website and have a look for Zoom training sessions. And if you don't see any happening, then send us an email and ask us for when they're happening, or we can put one on for you. Okay, do get in touch if you want any help with any digital skills training and you're from Ambleside, South Lakes area in Cumbria, then we would love to help you. See you soon. Bye.